Hello, beautiful soul. Take a moment to pause. You don't need to solve anything right now. You don't need to carry the future for these next few minutes. Just be here. Take a slow breath in and gently let it go. Again, breathing in softness and breathing out the heaviness you've been holding. Imagine yourself beside a quiet lake at sunset. The water is still. The sky glows softly in gold and lavender. For this moment, there is nowhere else you need to be. Bring your awareness into your body. Notice your shoulders, your jaw, your chest. See if you can soften just a little. So much of life asks us to stay strong, to keep going even when we're tired. But strength is not always tension. Sometimes strength is allowing yourself to rest. Take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine releasing the pressure you've been carrying. The need to control everything. The need to have all the answers. You are allowed to breathe now. There are moments when we resist life so deeply. We resist change, uncertainty, endings we didn't expect. But resisting everything becomes exhausting. Imagine now that you are floating gently on calm water. The water supports you completely. You do not need to force anything. You do not need to fight the current. For these few moments, simply allow yourself to be held. Safe, supported, at peace with not knowing everything yet. Somewhere beneath the stress and overthinking, there is still a peaceful version of you. A softer version a version untouched by pressure. Imagine a warm golden light glowing softly in your chest. With every breath, it expands through your heart, through your body, through every tired part of you needing comfort. And quietly, you begin returning to yourself again. Life does not always unfold the way we planned. Some things leave. Some paths change. Some seasons take longer than we hoped. But not everything falling apart is meant to harm you. Sometimes life is gently guiding you towards something softer. Think of a river. It does not force its way forward. It bends. It flows. And somehow, it always finds its way. You can trust yourself to do the same. One breath at a time. One gentle step at a time. Allow yourself to rest even deeper now. Nothing to prove. Nothing to fix. Just breathe. Feel the calmness around you like a soft blanket. And maybe, for the first time in a while, you realize peace was never something you had to chase. It was always quietly waiting beneath the noise. Inside you, steady, silent, patient. Let yourself stay here for a few more breaths. Slowly begin bringing awareness back to your body. Notice the surface beneath you. Notice your breathing. And notice how much softer you feel now. Life may still have unanswered questions, but You do not need to carry them all tonight. Take one final deep breath in and slowly let it go. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return with a softer heart.